Today, Sarah and I are going to make a Tuscan classic called Fagioli all'uccelletto, and they are made with these cannellini beans. This is what they look like before they are soaked. These were soaked overnight, and now we're gonna remove the water and we'll show you how to prepare them. Traditionally, Fagioli all'uccelletto were cooked in an earthen pot, a terracotta pot. But before then, even other methods are to do them in a bottle, an old wine bottle, and I'll show you what it looks like. Here it is. This is something that was used where the beans were placed in here, and then this was set in the fireplace with the hot coals and ashes and left there all night long. The straw was taken off and wrapped up and placed inside the mouth of the bottle so that steam could still escape. We're going to use some aglio in camicia. That would be the garlic with the shirt on, with the skin on. We're just going to place that in there. And then we're also going to put some sage leaves in here, as well as cover everything up with water. And right at the end, a nice drizzle of olive oil. This will now be placed inside the wood-fired oven that has been preheated. It's not supposed to boil, it is only supposed to simmer. So we're going to close it up and place it in the oven. The oven has been preheating, and now we're going to slide this in way to the side and allow it to gently simmer. Close the door and let the oven do its magic. As the beans are simmering, we have two options on how to finish the fagioli all'uccelletto. They're going to be accompanied by tomatoes. So here we have some crushed tomatoes. We also have some cherry tomatoes that would be very good if they were kind of caramelized in the oven. Or you can actually make it with fresh tomatoes, especially when they're beautifully in season. In our frying pan, we're going to put some olive oil. To the olive oil, we're going to add some more aglio in camicia. Here we have some sage leaves, some hot pepper flakes, and now we're going to put the cherry tomatoes in. We're going to gently leave these in here, cover it up, and allow them to caramelize a bit. Let's check and see how we're doing. Oh wow, the aroma coming out from this pan is amazing. Did you know that tomatoes, beans, and potatoes were just a few of the things that were brought to Europe after the discovery of the Americas? And the Florentines took the beans as one of their main loved side dishes. And I don't know a Florentine that does not love fagioli in any type of way. So now in here, we're going to put the tomatoes. Now the cherry tomatoes are kind of a spin that we put on just to add flavor. But here we're going to allow this to cook down. A bit of salt. We did not put any salt into the beans. And then here's some pepper. Also add a sprinkle of sugar just in case the tomatoes are a bit acidic, and that will cut down the acidity. And now this will allow to simmer and reduce. Towards the end, we'll also add some of the bean cooking water to it before we add the beans. It is time to check our beans. The fire has died down, but the oven is still warm enough to keep a gentle simmer going. In fact, in Italian, you say, I fagioli non si devono rincorrere. They shouldn't chase each other, but just a gentle dance. Now we'll be able to take them in. And here we are. There's a beautiful reduction going on here. And slowly, we're going to put our fagioli right in here. And the skin from the garlic can be removed. Put all the fagioli in and the sage, and to this we'll add some of the cooking water, and never throw away the cooking water from fagioli because it's going to be absolutely delicious in a soup or in a pasta. So here, let's stir everything up. My little grandbaby in the back is asking if it's ready because she is so ready to eat. So now, we're gonna top everything off with olive oil, and we'll just allow it to cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. And here finally are our fagioli all'uccelletto. We're gonna put un giro d'olio, just a nice drizzle of good olive oil on here. And this will be an amazing side dish. You can place it on some slices of bread or as a contorno with a steak or other meats. It is absolutely delicious. I think I'm just gonna have to have a bit of a taste right here and wish you un buon appetito.